Hi dear students, this is your teacher, Ma'am Shirley Bahia. Welcome to our entrepreneurship subject. Our lesson objectives for today, at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to explain the entrepreneurial process, identify the different stages in entrepreneurial process, and create a simple diagram of the entrepreneurial process. For our lesson recall, we discussed about the different career options for entrepreneur and comparison on the benefits, advantages, and disadvantages of being an entrepreneur or an employee. Okay, as you can see on your slides, these are four images of the process of making a cake. As you can see on your slides, first yung pag-mix ng mga dry and wet ingredients, and then next image is putting of the mix into the oven, and then the third image is about a chef decorating the cake, and the last image is the final output, no, yung pinaka uh, cake na ibibigay dun sa client or dun sa customer. So in everything that we do, there is a process involved, just like in entrepreneurship. All businesses follow this type of process to make sure that the operation, management, and control measures are uh, achieved, and to ensure that that the business will be successful in the end. So, what is entrepreneurial process? The entrepreneurial process can be expressed as a set of procedures and methodologies followed by entrepreneurs to establish a new business or venture. All the entrepreneurship process phases have certain meanings and functionality, which one has to trail and pursue for setting up a venture. The entrepreneurial process: opportunity spotting and assessment, developing a business plan, determining the needed capital, and running the business. Components and steps in the entrepreneurial process. For the opportunity spotting and assessment, one must identify problems in the environment, check new trends in the environment, check on the new products and services, conceptualize and measure the opportunity, and scan the strengths and weakness of competitors. Competitors means same business which offers the same products with your product. Next is developing a business plan. You need to come up with a business description and analysis, include details on marketing strategies, manual on operations and management, human resources and control measures, financial statements, which includes forecasted income, capital, and expense. It should also include plan for future expansion or franchising. Determining the needed capital. Here, you need to calculate resources needed and compare it to the investor's available fund. Calculate the difference between the needed capital and the existing capital. Choose the most cost-efficient supplies or service providers. Also include and consider as to who will be the source for your fund. Will you be borrowing it from your relatives or family, or you will just have to borrow from the banks or any other lending companies in your area? Last is running the business. Make sure that all aspects in the business plan is observed, practice leadership as a way of life, identify existing and foreseeable problems and issues, employ risk mitigating controls and monitoring system. In this process, there is a need that a good manager should step up, show his leadership, and should see to it that there is a proper supervision and then strict implementation of the business rules and regulations, especially on the preparation of the product. Okay. Remember, entrepreneurial process includes the following: opportunity spotting, developing a business plan, determining the capital, and running the business. Okay, so I want to share with you this quotation. A vision without implementation is just a dream with closed eyes. Another phase that the entrepreneur must have to see while creating his empire is to look beyond the idea or plan. He or she has to have a vision from the experience and a creative mindset to come up with new and innovative methodologies for solving different problems. That ends our session. Thank you, dear students.